Digitstem affiliate marketing for beginners. If you're totally new to affiliate marketing and you're researching about Digitstem to know if the UMM course is good for you or if Digitstem is legit, okay, or you want to know about the Digitstem platform, how much does it cost, all of that question I'm going to answer it for you here. Most importantly, if it is what you can actually invest your time to do. All right. And if you have joined the platform, you want to know how you can win a self challenge, how to make sales, how to promote effectively on this platform, I got you covered, and how you can do withdrawal as well. Okay, I'm gonna explain all of that. All okay, if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you what the top affiliate marketers do so that you can actually do it for yourself and see massive result. As we begin this process, you are going to look back next 1 month, 3 months to come, and you are going to refer back to this video and thank yourself later that you found this video. Okay, without wasting much time, my name is Evis Jamoni. I teach on skill affiliate marketers how to build a profitable business that pays them on a weekly basis. Okay, so let's get straight to it. Number one is Digitstem UMM course. What does it entail? Now, before you get started with this platform Digitstem, you must purchase a course. All right, right now the cost of it is 14,500. When you pay that money, you are going to get access to the UMM course. In the UMM course, you are going to learn all the social media marketing platform, how it works, like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. They will break it down for you. All right, they explain to you how to do Facebook advertisement, Google ad. It was broken down in that particular course. Okay, you are going to learn how to generate lead and how to close your prospect. Okay, all of that is what you are going to find in that course called the UMM course. Now, what is it about? The review about this platform. How friendly is it for a total beginner to jump into it and start making money? Now, disguised the idea that when you just join that and you start to make money, no, there are basic requirements you need to understand. It takes time for you to master the craft of making sales on internet. If you're totally new to it, you can't just come and start making money. No, it doesn't work that way. You get to understand the sales process, okay, how to educate your audience, how to nurture them. I'm going to explain more for you. Okay, minimum of 1 month to 2 months. If you're total mastering, if you're totally new, for you to understand this better, for you to equip yourself to making sales online in any affiliate marketing platform, not only on Digitstem. So it requires time. All right, now let us go to the big question. All right, how to promote a product on Digitstem. Good. Now, you don't just go to your platform and then copy your affiliate link and start promoting on any platform. No. All right, when a prospect want to make a purchase, that is where you can now send your unique affiliate link to your prospect so that they can click it on it and then make purchase. When they purchase through your affiliate link, you are going to earn 50% commission doing so. All right, that one is clear. How do you do your withdrawal from Digitstem? You place withdrawal every Friday and then you get paid on Saturday morning. It's very simple. Go to your dashboard and then you're going to see withdrawal. You put in the amount there, you put in your account balance there, automatically they pay you on Saturday morning. All right, so how to make sales on Digitstem is quite simple. To make sales on this platform, you get to find an audience. It's very important. We call it lead generation, and I will explain more about lead generation for you. So your audience are people that you have built KLT, which is know, like, and trust. People don't just come and buy to strangers. No, they get to know you, they get to like it, they get to trust you before they will not give you their ad and money. Do you understand? I will explain it for you. Okay, so people you will say to our audience, the way we will purchase it, that is where you're going to find someone that also going to purchase through you. Mind you, what we sell on the platform is digital products, although something like ebook creation, okay, how to edit video, graphic design, those things are called digital products that someone can consume, all right, without seeing it physically. Okay, it can make a profound impact in the person's life. Okay, we'll call it digital products. All right, is Digitstem affiliate marketing free? No. To get started right now is 14,100, 500. Okay, before was 20,000, 15,000, but right now they are doing a massive sales challenge. Okay, and that is why I'm also going to educate you on how to win this sales challenge. Okay, so what are the products on Digitstem? It's very simple. We have copywriting course, we have how to jackback course, how to create video, how to do graphic design. Okay, how to freelancing. Those things are digital products that you can purchase on the platform and then consume it for yourself. Okay, then Digitstem affiliate marketing sign up. How do you sign up? And as I've told you, need an affiliate link for you to sign up. Okay, and I've keep in this video description, okay, my own affiliate link. So if you want to get started, you can click on it and then get registered with the platform with Digitstem. All right, so if you have someone who have also educated you about the platform and you are comfortable with the person, you can ask for the person to give you his or her affiliate link so you can use it and register. Okay, that is one of the best ways to register in Digitstem platform. All right, now Digitstem affiliate marketing fee in Nigeria, for Nigerian fee is 14,500 naira. All right, for now they slashed the price on the 12th of December 2000 2024, okay, which is this year, okay, and it has just begun. All right, is digital affiliate marketing legit? Yes, the platform is legit, okay, and I've made over $200 in digital affiliate marketing platform. All right, it's totally is legit. Okay, so how then do you log in this platform? To log in, you just need to type digitstem on your search bar. You go to the website, you click on login, you provide your email and your password, then you now log in to your account. Okay, then now the last one, which is the odogu now, which is how to win digitstem sales challenge. Good. Now, to win digitstem sales challenge, you must understand how lead generation work. The more audience you have coming to you, that is the key. If I'm having up to like 100% coming to me every week that are interested in digital platform, affiliate marketing platform, and you're having only 2%, who do you think is going to make more sales? Well, apparently it's going to be me, because the more people that comes to you, the more money we are going to make. The high chances of you closing your prospect. Okay, so you must learn how to generate lead, which they taught in the UMM course. We can use Google, you can use TikTok, you can use Facebook, you can use Twitter, you can use Snapchat as well. There are many affiliate market, there are many platforms you can use to generate lead for yourself. It's just for you to understand the one that is more convenient for you. By the time you understand at least lead generation, at least organic one, you can now use the money that you have made from there and invest it into a paid advertisement media. Dropping a video how to do a good Facebook advertisement that can convert your affiliate marketing offer. So if you have not joined this, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit the button and subscribe right now, okay, so that you're not going to miss it when I drop the video that is coming right now on Facebook advertisement. Okay, that is how you can win sales challenge. All right, now I want to take you personally. If 2024 has gone and you do not make anything tangible in it, don't worry, this year 2025 is your year. You are going to look back in next 6 months, 3 months, and thank yourself later, and thank yourself because you took action on this. As you begin to implement, you are going to see a whole new world of opportunity opening for you. You are going to see a tremendous, your income going to boost. Okay, you see yourself achieving things that you thought you could not achieve before. I never knew you cannot be possible for me, but I decided to give it a try. As I progress and I master it and it start to work for me, it can also work for you. Give it a try. Okay, everything is possible for you. If I can do it, I believe you too can do it better. Do not give your doubts, okay, a chance. Starve your doubts and feed your belief system that it's gonna be possible for you. Get into it and then hold yourself accountable. Find someone, your mentor, a coach that is going to hold you accountable. While you progress, you can refer to your coach. This is what I'm finding difficult. Is going to guide you through. Okay, as you master it, this skill is gonna make you crazy money on the internet. Okay, if you master it, you are going to thank yourself later and beat your chest that it is you that is doing these amazing things for yourself. Okay, I believe in you, but you just have to believe in yourself and do it. Okay, you can hit me up and I'll put in the video description my WhatsApp number. You can ask me a question. I'm gonna guide you through. I'm gonna assist you with any question you have. Okay, digital affiliate marketing all the way. Okay, if you want to get started, can as well use the link in my video description. Catch you later. Bye for now. If it's care.